In this video, I'll be sharing my step-by-step process of how I made this super quick and simple succulent watercolor. Now, let's begin. I began by sketching out my plant container and the plants using my HB light pencil. I then went over with my 05 micron pen, which you can find at almost any arts and crafts store, and I traced everything to make it pop out at the end. I exchanged my pencil and pen out for my watercolor set and for several brushes. As you might have seen in a previous video, today I'm using my water brush that comes with the water reservoir, and I'm also using the normal brushes of different sizes to paint in the watercolors. If at any time in this video you feel like you could use a little bit of extra help in developing your skills in artwork, specifically in watercolors, I recommend you check out my watercolor technique video where you can learn a bunch of techniques that will help you become a more advanced watercolor artist. I then painted a wash over all of my leaves of my succulent. And if you're interested in growing your own succulents, I recommend you checking out my very popular video on succulent propagation, which basically lets you get yourself free succulents from the ones you already have. And now I painted in my dark gray into the plant container. As you can see here, there are some little patterns on the tips of the leaves, and now I want to make a slightly darker color of the plant green color to paint over in little strokes of lines. Now I'm going to stop talking and let you watch the rest of the video. If you want to see more watercolor tutorial videos specifically for succulents, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want to be notified as soon as I post new cool videos on watercolors, DIY projects, and nature projects, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Please, if you are willing to, share this video with anyone you know that would be beneficial to, and I would very much appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.